up? It's your boy Magnificent back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we're doing Waking Up Sucks by AJ Rafael. It's not a very popular song, but it's a good one, and one of you guys requested it, so we're gonna do that. Okay, so we're not using the capo for this, it's just open chords, and the chords are as follows. Okay, so for a beginner player, you want to strum G, D. That's your verse, okay? C. Confirm. Okay, so it's actually C, E minor, and then D. Okay, let's do that again. C, E minor, and then D. Now, if you're not familiar with the chords that I'm using here, you can check out my chord video. It's in the description, and it has a detailed illustration of how to hold the chords. And my strumming pattern is down, down, up, down, 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 up, up, down, down, up, up. Okay, now for the more advanced player, you want to hold your C, right? I don't know what variation of C this is, but we're basically hammering on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string instead of the 1st fret, okay? The B string. So how you're gonna pluck this is, so this is 5 2 5 2 5 1 2 3 5 2 5 1 2 3 5 2 5 1 2 3. Okay. So for C, you're using your bass 5th fret. For E minor, you're using 6th fret open, and then for D, you're using 6th fret. You're using 4th. Sorry, for C, you're using 5th string. Okay. Then for E minor, you play 6th string open, and then for D, you're playing 4th string open. But you're still hammering on this particular fret, 3rd fret of the B string, okay? Because we want that note throughout. So C, so C, E minor, D. And then let's go into the pre-chorus. There's a chord change there. This guy actually composes just changing the progressions throughout the song. I don't know why, because it doesn't. A minor. Okay, so that's where do we go from here? Where do we go? That's just A minor to D, okay? Okay, so chorus is G, A minor, C. That's the first part. That's the, I can't get my head. Go. And then G, A minor, C. Then we go to E minor, D, C. A minor, C, D. Oh my god. Okay, I see why these songs are not popular. There's a thing about pop, it has to be catchy. So if you put too many passing chords, it's not going to be catchy. It's like a mixture of jazz and pop, where you don't have jazz chords, you're using pop chords, but then there's just too many of them and it's clashed. So yeah, those are the chords, guys. Let's go through them one more time. I don't think I can give you the progression here because it's pretty, complex. He keeps changing the chords. It's basic chords, but you need to follow through. Okay, so let's go together. G, A minor, C, G, E minor, D, C, A minor, C, and then D. And then you're back to your verse, alright? So yeah, that's pretty much it for this song, guys. Do Make sure you subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you. And let me know any other new songs that I need to interpret for you guys. Otherwise, yeah, see you guys in the next video.